this is a head and shoulders pattern, and that is how it played out. This is another head and shoulders pattern. This is another head and shoulders pattern. This is another head and shoulders pattern. And lastly, this is another head and shoulders pattern. And in this video, we are going to talk about the difference between high quality reversal setups and low quality reversal setups. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's do this. What is the amount of time needed to make a specific pattern? So if we look at this example, USD/JPY gave us a nice head and shoulders pattern. So we have this left shoulder, and then the head, and then the right shoulder before it breaks down. So this is also a head and shoulders pattern, but to me this is not a very high quality setup because the time it has taken for it to form. So from the beginning, 310 to 324, just 15 minutes. The average time that is required to make a pattern is roughly 30 to 45 minutes. And so that is one thing that you can use to eliminate setups that are low quality. Because yeah, sure, you'll get some trades that go in your direction, but most of the trades that are short period patterns, they fail very quickly. Compare that to the setup that we got yesterday on the Aussie Swiss franc. So you can see that the pattern itself here formed on the 15-minute time frame. And so we have the left shoulder, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder. So this is actually a high quality setup because number one is it forms on a bigger time frame. So if it forms on a bigger time frame, that means that if price breaks through that level, there is a bigger distance price can go. So if we look at this from the 1 minute perspective, you can see that it also forms a very good left shoulder, then the head, and then now we have the right shoulder. And then if we let things play out, you see that price just broke down. This was a beautiful trade. And the same pattern occurred on GJ yesterday, and the process is still the same. So this pattern actually occurred in the London session. If we go to the 1 minute time frame, we see that we have this area where price is consolidating. And then this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and then this is the right shoulder forming. And then once we let things play out, we break out here. This is our entry, and we can put our stops at that level, and then we can target this level here, and then we let the market do its thing. Let's look at the time, how long it took for this setup to form. So let's say it started here at 2:55. Then the breakout occurred at 3:30. So that's almost 30 minutes of this pattern forming, which falls in the category of high quality setups that take time to form. And so that is why we are confident that if we get into this trade, there is a very high probability that price will come back to this level. And so that is what happened. So my point with this video is that you will find setups that take 5 minutes, 3 minutes to form, or even 10 minutes to form. And if you are trying to look for those high quality setups, then you are doing yourself a disservice by taking these low quality setups, and just overall it will add up to the negatives that you have. And so that is how I am screening my trades now for high quality setups. And so if you got value from today's video, subscribe, and if you'd like to learn more about this strategy, check out the links in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.